As you can see here in my car, I've had this for a while, I've been testing it, and it works amazing. That's why I got a second one. So all you gotta do is grab your case and set it and forget it. Okay, right in front of me I have two different products. This is a vent mount, and this is a kit with lots of metal plates. Now I'm gonna open this package. So it comes with wipes, the user guide. So this package here is not necessary, you don't have to get this. I'll explain why I got this. But this is the main piece. Now I drive with this all the time in all my vehicles, so I had to buy another one so I can put it in two vehicles of mine or another friend's. If I do come, I don't have to keep taking it from my main car. So here I have what looks like to be an ordinary case, because it really is. It's a thin case, but it has a little metal plate behind it. So if I stick this onto it, you can see that it's metal plated and it's on there pretty tight. This magnet is strong enough to hold your phone on a mount, and there's quite a bit here that's behind it that I'll show you. You can see in the back of here, there's a metal plate, and that's what this magnet is sticking onto. I went with this mount because I like the look of it. It's very grippy onto the vent. Literally, it's like really tight on it, and you can still have some rotation on it, so you can angle. And I ordered these cases a month ago from AliExpress. It just barely came in, but each case is around $2.50. But the reason why I really ordered these, not just because they look nice, is because it has also the built-in magnet spot. So you can see there's a little circle there. This supposedly is a metal plate here, so we can see just behind there that glow. This should technically stick onto the, yep, there we go. So I don't have to put my own or buy these separately. You can just buy this little mount and know that every case you have has a little metal plate. I don't see it being an issue. It feels pretty strong. If I bend it, I can feel the plate in there. This is protection so it doesn't hit on the phone. So let's stick on the phone. This is me, first time trying it out. Ooh, yeah. So pretty much you're gonna be able to find something out of this video maybe. It's soft. You can hear it. All the cutouts look great on it. There's even a lanyard hookup. So this case is very thin. I love thin cases like this. Very nice. Let's stick this onto it. Yes, it is. Car is not going to be moving around like this unless you're off-roading. Look at that. That is super cool. You have to buy this separate. Obviously, I got this on Amazon, and this case I got from AliExpress. There's barely a lip keeping it off the table, so it's not that much protection from the front, but it is going to protect enough if I drop it real quickly. As you can see here, I can flex this one. So I bought two of each. There are blue ones, and there was a black one, but this also has this little spot, so obviously we don't have to buy these extras. The reason why I bought these extras is because I can do it on a tablet, or maybe it's not going to be strong enough through a case, so I got this just in case. We'll see. This is such a nice case. I can't believe case manufacturers don't bring these more to Amazon, so more of you guys can have them with 2-day shipping or 5-day, whatever, versus a whole month. I almost said a year. It took a month to get to me. Look at this. I think it looks great. I love simplicity. I love thin cases. It is definitely covering the lens here, so it's not going to hit there. And also, barely a little bit. So you do set it on this face, you are going to have a little bit of a lift. Not very much. Okay, so we're going to sit this right in there. Perfect. Now, looking at this again, it looks perfectly aligned. I don't see any weird designs or defects on it. It looks so good. I like the button. It actually feels like I'm pressing it. It doesn't feel really squishy. They click in. I can still reach the mute switch. This entire case is only $2.50. Is it worth waiting a whole month for? I'm gonna say yes. It is worth it. This mount came with these. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this sticker just for science. Okay, so this is almost built in. So you see I just removed the protection cover. And there we go. Yeah, so this is stuck on there pretty tight. Basically the same size as this. So different colors. I've got them all because I wanted to make sure I fell in love with one of them. I like them all. Obviously you can change it up depending on your outfit. A car is definitely not moving around this much. If it's not sliding from here, I think you can feel safe. There's rubber here, so it's kind of pinched where it's not going to slide around. This case is going to be a keeper. Definitely feel like I got a good pick. Now this case right here, if you want a harder case and it's even thinner, it'll also be included in the link down below, but this one cost me $15. I think $13 to $15 just for this case. But then when you buy a $2 case and you're like, holy crap, this is that much, you're almost thinking like you're overpaying for what this is. This is a bigger surface. As you can see here, it's going to be a stronger magnet. That's why I wanted to test these out to see if it's going to work. I've been hanging on to these for a while. I've been wanting to use this for like my tablet or my Pixel phone. We have the little plastic protection, so we can put this over the metal plate so it's not going to scratch our surfaces, if that's a concern for you. So this comes with 2 circles in there, and for those pop socket users, you don't have to replace it. You can just stick this. This is perfectly round, so you can stick this onto your pop socket. That way you can stick it onto one of these, and then this one comes with a lot more. So I wanted to buy just a bunch, just in case I want to hook up my friends, or I literally, like I said, I want to do a tablet. 10 whole pieces. This is such a larger surface, so if I want to make sure that I just want a circle, yeah, this is going to be super strong to be able to go through it. Yes, I can just stick it back here, put the little plastic protection. Yeah, this is way stronger. Obviously, there's more surface. And these bigger pieces for heavier devices, or you want more surface. So if you want to stick that onto there, look, it fits perfectly fine in the iPhone cases. It's going to work in the Pixel cases. But this is a bigger surface, depending, I'd probably go this up and down. So I got a longer way. So if I place it up there, it's still going to grip. And down here, and it's still gonna grip. Yeah, that's so much room to play with, so you don't have to worry about just sticking it in the middle. That's why I wanted to bring these to your attention. And of course, since I have the Pixel here, I'm gonna put the Pixel 3 right in here. Now, this case is also ordered from AliExpress. I actually made a video on it and I got pretty good views. This is a Pixel 2 case, but a Pixel 3 barely works for it. I just want to use that as an example. And let's place a plate back here. Obviously, we want to stick that little tape protection there, and now we have a magnet, as we can see. Nice, because you can obviously make it fall off, but realistically, how you're driving, this should stay on there. I don't feel it sliding around. That's the nice part about getting these little pieces. I like that you can hide them. It's minimal. As you can see, it's going to be very functional. Love these. This is the new way I carry all my phones now and mount them onto my car. Let's go show you how I use it on my car so you can see a real life use. Let's go do it to it. As you can see here in my car, I have this one. I've had this for a while. I've been testing it and it works amazing. That's why I got a second one. I like to put it around here. So all you got to do is grab your case and set it and forget it, and it's going to stay put. Now you can tilt it around, and here's the one that I just unboxed. And you can see that this is pretty tight, and as soon as you place it in there, it's going to grip onto it, so you become this type of hold. I also have my Pixel 3 here, so same in the back. Set it and forget it, and I have his and hers, 2 phones. You get the idea. That's how it's going to be, and it's on there pretty tight. You don't have to have an issue thinking it's going to fall off. So that's how easy it is. Now this is just the one that came built in. This one I added, so that's an addition. Stick it onto there, same thing. But you can convert any case. It doesn't matter if you get these cases or not. As long as they're thin enough and there's enough metal plate, you can just stick it onto one of these mounts. Obviously, I just got these cases, so I'm excited about that one. And this is my first BMW car. First German. I like it so far. Now I can set the whole tablet on these little magnet mounts, and this becomes my Tesla. Definitely recommend this. It's a must-have. Look at the placement. I can reach it all, do it all.